I'm out of grenades. Oh, heck, you kill. Yeah, I know. Running right. Thomas, run right near the foot of the bridge.
What, in the small bunker?
Right at the foot of the bridge.
Can't see anyone.
Moving right, 1 plus moving right. No, they are moving right. Sake. Ah! Oh, this net's gonna get me killed. Tom, can you pin them down?
The bridge is live. 1 second.
Yep. Holy shit, 3 of them! Is it open yet?
You get all 3?
Yeah.
Got about 30 seconds.
So they'll get back. They'll get back.
Right, one down. There's 1 left.
20 seconds.
You said that about an hour ago.
10 seconds.
Reloading. Reloading.
The bridge is live.
Alright, cover.
No, wait. Grenade. You have to go back. You walked on the bridge.
Yeah, it's kind of hard not to. Really?
Go back and respawn. Try again.
I never.
You alright? Don't fall over and die.
Oh,
You alright?
shit.
You want to call it?
No, I landed on my arm.
You okay?
It's not cracking or popping and it's pointing the right way.
Carry it on. Carry it on. We're carrying on.
Guess a minute.
However, he is currently dead.
Oh,
Front building.
I'm never going to get a triple kill again. That was our moment and I buggered it. Negative eyes on. Is he down?
Yeah, he's down.
Rog, any more there, mate?
I don't know. There might be another one. Yeah, there's another one there. That barricade on the bridge is in the way though.
I might just have to go for it, mate.
Do you want something smaller to take? Or?
No, mate. I don't have anything to take, so I'm going to need to crawl up, don't I? Right, Tom, I'm going to go for it, mate.
Watch out, this one is right in that bunker.
I can't get any fucking grip!
Game over!
Oh, that is... Oh,
To the blue team.
it's not a win, really. Look at me.
Well done, guys.
Got free smoke.
Yeah, I need a bloody knee splint. Cheers, mate. Good sport, guys. Alright. Actually, I might just... Oh my god, have you seen how bad that is?
No, I was on it.
Oh, one's down. Still one more on the bottom tower. Top tower, top tower. One in top of tower, one behind it. Top window, top window. Oh, hit, good kill. Oh. Ooh. I have no idea where Russell is. I think he was somewhat following up behind me.
How bad's my face?
How bad's mine? You got a swollen light.
Oh, it's bleeding.
Have I got anything there?
No, nothing.
Oh, fucking hell. Shot me right under the goggles. Yeah, he came round and... He's down, he's down.
Nice. One in the front building. Front building. Nearest building to me.
That was a landmine. I'm out of grenades. I had to throw a landmine at you. Cheers, man. Well played, mate. Here? Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. He's got him. I hope so. Oh, that was a good one. I am really liking this bolt so far. Oh!
2, 1, go!
Ah, hit! Oh, wank! Hit!
1-0. They're all going back. Now's
I'm not too sure, it might have been me hitting it though.
But not in this game.
Oh, shit. Oh, it's alright. It's alright. Good kill. Oh, you made me jump, you did. Oh, I was so close to you with that as well. Oh my god. When you said bunker was empty, I forgot it doesn't mean around the bunker as well. God, it's so hard work.
One nail to the red team. Oh, you blacked him there, boy.
One there.
New player in bunker.
I'm never gonna get in there. Oh. No, I'm not fitting through there. Ah, shit. Oh, fuck it.
Let him out. Good effort.
I am not fitting through that tunnel. I'm going to take the ammo out the adder and get enough for a grenade. I can't. There it. Cover me, cover me, cover me.
Covering.
Oh, that was scary. A load of water got blown into my eye from the inside of my goggles. Thought a round had gone through them then. Right, I am shit out of grenades. Ow. I know. Oh, we got fucking bullet then. Bear in mind that they could easily be down here as well. I thought that was a solid piece of wood, I'm glad. On any. Hold ground, hold your ground. No. Just smoke, cover me, I'm reloading. Should we start falling back? Right, fall back, right? I'll cover you. Whoa. Hit! Oh, that was my own bloody gun. No, I think we've only got one life each. Alright. I'll be back in a minute.
Game over!
I won something.
Everyone got a point. Because I'm not going to lie, the first people come up, disarmed it straight away.
Oh.
And then I thought, right, okay, down to 10
Sake.
You're the last one. Well done,
You
mate.
told me that at the beginning. Oh. Oh.
Just so you know, we got it before you.
I know, that's what I just found out. I'm f***ing heart, my heart's broken.